Hey folks, it's Mike again with TV Parts Today. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the one board inside of this unit. It's going to be a 40H4030F1. As always, if you need to order any parts, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484, and hopefully that'll be a little lighter on your wallet than any Black Friday shopping this year. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so here we have the only board inside of this unit. It's going to be a combination power board, main board, T-Con. First thing we want to do is take note of this ribbon cable. It kind of zigzags all the way around here. Underneath of this is going to be 3 clips that we're going to need to unhook. So the first thing we want to do is get this guy out of the way first, and then we can work on these plugs as well as this guy up top and this one over here on the side. With this ribbon cable, just flip up with your fingernail to release the latch, shimmy that out, and if you fold this back, try not to put a hard crease in that, but you'll see 1, 2, 3 clips here. They are all 3 going to be a pinch on that latch and pull. If you see this tape right here, it might behoove you to get that out of the way if it gives you any grief. Shouldn't be too much of an issue, but just in case, just get up underneath of that tape, pull it up, and we'll be just fine, just to get it out of the way so we've got room to work with this cord. So pinch it, pull it out. This one right here, the latch is going to be here on this underside. Pinch it, pull it straight up. This one right here, the latch is on top. Get underneath of that cabling, pinch it, pull it out. Up top, same thing. Lever on the top there, pinch it with your thumb, shimmy it out. And our power plug, same situation. And now we can move on to our screws. Looks like we just got a handful around it, and then we should be done with this one. And then lift gently just in case there's adhesive. There's no resistance, so I believe we are good to go. So there we have it. That's about it for this unit. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe to our channel, your first order with us will qualify for 20% off. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.